Have you ever laughed so hard that your belly hurt? Or wondered why that lame dad joke your friend told was so hilariously funny? Welcome to Blow Your Minds, where we explore life's biggest mysteries. Today, we're diving into one of life's sweetest mysteries. Why do we laugh? The philosophy behind humor. We all love a good laugh, right? But have you ever stopped to think why? What is it about certain situations, words, or even sounds that have us doubling over in hysterics? One theory, called the Incongruity Theory, suggests we laugh when things don't go as expected. Think of a cat barking, or a piano playing in a restroom. Weird, right? But also, kind of funny. It's like our brains enjoy the surprise party of unexpected events. Then there's the relief theory. This one suggests laughter is like a pressure relief valve. Ever laughed during a scary movie or a tense situation? That could be your brain letting off steam, a psychological sigh of relief. But here's a more social angle. The Superiority Theory says we laugh to feel superior. Tripped over your own shoelaces recently? It's embarrassing, but when someone else does it, we might laugh. It's like a seesaw. When they go down, we go up. But wait, there's more. The Benign Violation Theory is a combo deal. It says something must be wrong, yet okay, at the same time to be funny. Like playful teasing among friends. It's a violation of expected kindness, but it's benign because you're buddies. So, which is it? Are we laughing because of surprise, relief, superiority, or a benign violation? Maybe it's all of them, or none. Maybe the real magic of laughter is in its mystery, its unpredictability. Laughter is like the universal language of joy, a gift that binds us together. So whether you're chuckling at a corny joke, or guffawing at a comedy sketch, remember you're participating in one of life's greatest mysteries. Thanks for sharing this chuckle-worthy journey with us here on Blow Your Minds. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more brain-tickling mysteries. Keep questioning, keep laughing, and remember, every laugh is a step in your journey of exploring the wonderful mysteries of life.